Hi, today's video is going to be about tagging conventions and how I keep track of all the tags that I develop over time that you can use to organize your files so that they're easy to process. My workflow is a bottom-up workflow where I don't really worry about having to organize it once I've set it. So it's basically like set and the tags organically develop as it goes. So I have a basic convention for the type of tags I have, and then I have a convention for keeping track of the tags, but I don't actually determine what tags I'm going to use before I use them. I try to have a system for capturing all my tags. I have three different kinds of tags. The first kind of tag describes what kind of thing this is, so the type of note it is. Like, is it a reading note, is it a project note, a topic note? And my second type of tag is the topic tag, which is what material is this related to? Or rather, what big bucket should I place it under? And then third, I have tags which track other tags. They sort of work to document my system and also for like greater fine level control of what I want to see in dataview. So the tracking tags could just be to document what the other tags do. Like, I have high-level tags which track other tags and document other tags, but I have lower-level tags that are essentially just a page, but I want to have multiple versions of it that are dated. So I make the page itself its own kind of link, and then I have other linked dated notes related to it. This makes it a lot easier to use dataview to sort through all your tags and to manage what you need to process. Like, I have some tags that are tracking items which I want to do, like things I would like to do would be a high level tag, and then underneath it I would have smaller tracker tags like things I want to do for smart home,